last day of LS Fest. Everyone out here is just unbelievable. There's a lot more people. Like, if you look past here, there are so many more people today. It is kind of sprinkling right now, so I do hope that the burnout contest goes. I'm gonna go back, see if I can hop back in the HOOPTIE cars if they'll let me. I don't know if they will because I broke their last car. But let's just go see what we can get into, and just this is an action-packed day because it's the last day, so we got to try and do everything we possibly can. So how do you feel that you actually got to sit in there? You're like,
that's something else, man.
speechless?
I never thought I would have been able to see the person, yet sit in the truck in person.
So these actually broke on the way here. I got in and actually hit them, and it snapped. And I gave them to this dude because I could tell how passionate he is about the truck.
Oh my God.
Are you gonna keep those safe?
Oh, 100%.
Oh, he's gonna wait a few years. He's gonna go on eBay.
Oh, bro, you're gonna sell them?
Hell no. Knowing where these came from, I ain't gonna sell these.
No? Are you gonna go home and play with the truck?
Yes. 100%.
All right,
going up and down the mountain.
Don't forget to add me. I'll play.
All right.
All right, well, we're back at the off-road. Let's see if they'll allow me to get in another rig. Oh yeah, there's way more people today. What is it? Oh, it's still broken?
No, it has a sign with your name on it.
No, it doesn't. Oh my God. Why they gotta call me out like that?
Venmo added for donations.
Let's go find them. I'm gonna laugh so hard if they turn us around though and say, no, you're done.
Hey everybody, we got Brad DeBerti in the house. If you don't know Brad DeBerti, he can break a car in 2 laps or less. All you gotta do is tag him on Instagram and he'll show up. I mean, he's like a genie. You say his name 3 times and he's here.
We figured since you were amazing at breaking stuff, we would allow you to break this the rest of the way.
Dude, look at this. Oh, here comes the owner. Here comes the owner. Hey, let's set something straight. That sign's pretty nice.
I tried breaking it in half earlier. It just keeps going.
Oh my God.
Brad's going to race in half lane and just see how bad he can break it the rest of the way.
All right, so we're gonna run it, but I don't really want the frame going to the back of the seat, so I'm not gonna get crazy.
Yeah, I heard that about the Camaro yesterday.
I wasn't scared walking up, no, but might be a little nervous now. I'll talk quiet, but this thing's in pretty bad shape, like really bad shape. And we already broke a car, and they already. Hey, if I break this one, are you putting it next to that one with another sign?
Yeah, we call it the DeBerti pile.
All right, here we go, boys. What just happened?
Lamborghini hood.
All I know is like it's showing off just now. It's saying surface brake system and everything.
Oh yeah.
Hey, did you guys hear that?
Got a cam.
Is that what it is? No. All right, let's go try this one. This is probably the funnest section, at least for me. It's always one of those things you never know if this looks cool on the outside, but on the inside, dude, I'm like, you know, throwing around. I mean, this is fun. Now let's watch you drive.
It's hotter than hell.
Oh, it is pretty hot. I almost broke 2 more trucks, but it's fun seeing these cars. Like, look at this thing. Oh, it's broke. That thing, look at the front wheel. Look at the front wheel. Yeah, he broke that. So now we're rolling up to amusement park. I didn't even know that they had a park here, but they have a roller coaster. It looks like some go-karts and a bunch of fun stuff. So we're just gonna go in here, see what we could get into. But I did say in my last episode, I will not ride that roller coaster because it looks like old wooden, look like it's built in the 1700s. But we're gonna try it. I don't know about this. I don't like roller coasters. I don't like amusement parks. I hate them. It's an old wooden one. It's gonna pull the board. Look at how old the wood is. I would be okay with like maybe an all metal one, but this is like built in the 1700s.
Yeah, but you've never been on a wooden roller coaster.
No.
So the wooden roller coaster does this.
Oh, I ain't going. Are you serious? I don't know what that is anymore.
That's what it's gonna be.
I don't know about that. Dude, look at this. Look at this.
That doesn't mean the coaster's like that.
What are you worried about?
Not on speed, you can't. Doing this the whole time. Oh. It's the same wood.
How you feeling?
I'm not feeling great at all. Oh, why is it this locking? Hey!
Oh, we're probably lower down before we start.
Hold up! This one's not going.
Well, I haven't released it yet.
Oh, okay. Just
Yeah,
making
Brett.
sure.
It's okay, Brett. It's okay, Brett.
Let's go!
Caught air, bro. I hit. Oh, look at my elbow.
Brett, I'm so.
That was insane. That's probably the most gnarliest roller coaster I've ever been on. Like, it's nothing smooth. There's nothing smooth about that.
Holy crap! I cannot believe this. This roller coaster is intense. I didn't think it was going to be any good. It is freaking good. Are you ready? Oh God! Ah! I feel like a little girl back here with her. Woo! Oh shit! You're right.
The back is so much worse.
Holy!
That was the roughest roller coaster I've ever been on in my life. Would I ever do it again? Absolutely not. We didn't know what we even entered into, but they said best engineered, and none of us, we weren't even rolling or anything in that. But we won best engineered. So we're gonna go get the seats in right now. They want it. I'm so excited. That's pretty awesome. We got best engineered. Felt really good. We just drove around the whole lap, waving all the fans and everything. I'm gonna go get the drip truck now and slay the tires. I got 1 minute to do a burnout.
Can't get it fired up.
At all? This truck's never not fired up.
Never, ever. I wonder if the battery's too low.
Yeah, I can hear the pump. Yeah, it's
Try it now that
it's low. Of course this would happen. I think they're supposed to be out there doing burnouts and the truck's not firing up. We literally have never had a problem with this truck firing up. I think the voltage is a little low. Scotia makes this box. My dad's grabbing the wires, and hopefully we could give the battery in the truck enough juice just to fire up. Thank you, Scotia. Oh, it's good. Scotia, you guys saved me, literally. I'm so excited about this. We had a close call with the truck almost not running, but now we're gonna go just have a good time for the fans and shred some BF Goodrich tires.
The birdie secrets before race.
Oh God, this is a secret right here. You need to know. Get that protein in the body, we'll be dialed. Oh, time for a nap. All right, boys, it's time. Let's go.
limo, dude. I think the battery voltage is too low. Dang it.
Whatever happened with the battery, it dropped voltage and it just threw it right into limp mode, so it wasn't going at all. It just sucks, man. I mean, everyone's here ready to watch the truck. You can't control something like that, though. It's probably because it's been sitting for 2 years. That literally ends our whole day.
Hey, you know what? Not everything goes perfect. We had a low battery, we couldn't get the truck started. Wasn't enough voltage once he fired it up to keep the computer going. But hey, that's what happens.
That is the worst way to end an event like this. Especially because all day we were talking to all the fans and I'm like, dude, a day late for the show, it's gonna be fun. That sucks. But on the positive side, I hope you guys enjoyed all the fun stuff we did. So now we just go home, kinda on a down note, but we're gonna get this thing going. So stay tuned for the burnout video that we're gonna put on ourselves because I owe you guys that content. Have a blessed day. Later.